So hello, good afternoon to all of you who are watching this. Maybe you take an interest in dress sense, which was a speciality of the yogic teachings that myself and JIWAN SHAKTI Kaur have developed as a way of looking at clothes with greater consciousness, as a way of leading to fulfillment and success really in your projection and in your the way you carry yourself in the world. There's a lot that the yogic teachings tell us about clothes and fibers and colors and modesty and projection. Specifically, Kundalini yoga and the teachings of Yogi Bhajan tell us about, the benefits of the turban and the arcline and the craniosacral massage that the turban provides, and the white clothes and the cotton and all that. But the yogic teachings in general also tell us about the benefits of wearing flowing clothes as opposed to cut clothes, and the meaning of the colors, the various colors as they relate to the chakras, how we can balance our three gunas, the three qualities, in terms of the way we dress, what we choose to emphasize. And also the 5 elements can be out-of-balance in us without us realizing, and this can be met and addressed and balanced through clothes, or emphasized if you wish to have an impact and you develop a character. The world, we know, is a theater. We have to play our part and we have to assume the costume that expresses that role that we choose to embody. So in our workshops, in our dress sense workshops, we play with that. Not only first we acquaint ourselves, what exactly we are doing to ourselves, what are we relaying to other people, and then we can choose to change or invest or disinvest, because we also know that the fashion industry is one of the greatest polluting industries in the world. So we have to apply consciousness on all levels. So we have 2 workshops coming up in May and in September in Germany. I hope you can join us there. Otherwise, you'll see us at the European Yoga Festival. I look forward to seeing you. Sat Nam.